My apartment building faces an avenue, and it's always very noisy. It always sounds like this. So my husband wants to buy a white noise machine. I don't know why. He married one. One of my favorite things about living in Manhattan is that we walk everywhere and we pick up amazing snippets of other people's conversations. Here's my favorite snippet that I've overheard so far. That's what makes me such a great bottom. My neighborhood used to be the premier gay neighborhood in Manhattan. It was so gay, my neighborhood, that when my husband first moved in years ago, it was kind of challenging, let's say. One time he had a sinus infection and he called the local neighborhood clinic. You've reached the gay, lesbian, gay, bisexual, gay, transgendered, gay, queer, questioning, lesbian, trans, bi, gender, gay clinic. If you're gay and have a sinus infection, press 1. If you're transgendered and one of you has a sinus infection, press 2. If you are gay, trans, bisexual, queer, questioning, lesbian whose partner has sinuses, press 3. Para español, primo el número 5. But my once fabulous gayborhood has changed. Condo, bye-bye baby. Condo, pediatric clinic. Condo, breast milk pumping station and donut shop. I had a gig at the LGBT Center in Manhattan, and at the same time, they were having an event for gay parents and their children. And these were little children, and they're running around, and they have full run of the place, and they're having the time of their young little innocent lives. And there were their gay parents. And I'm so proud and happy to say that the children of gay parents are the same rude, hateful, spoiled, rotten, vicious, sadistic, filthy, little, undisciplined bastards as the children of straight parents. Little girls, everywhere I turn, I can see them. Little girls, night and day I eat, sleep, and breathe them. I'm an ordinary woman with feelings. I like a man to nibble on my ear, but I'll admit, no man has bit. So how come I'm the mother of the year? Little teeth, little cheeks, everything around me is little. If I wring little necks, surely I will get an acquittal. Couldn't get an audition for this. Some women are dripping with diamonds. Some women are dripping with pearls. Lucky me, look at what I'm dripping with. Little girls. I overheard this at the Trader Joe's. You're out of organic kale? I make organic kale smoothies for my babies. What am I going to feed my daughters? Lexington, Madison, and Third. How I hate little shoes, little socks, and each little bloomer. If I die sooner because I grew up eating Captain Crunch and not kale, good. You know why people are living into their 90s now? It's not because of kale. It's because of chemotherapy, antibiotics, and surgery.